ready. Happy game day vlog.
Hi, vlog.
It's Sarah and Margaret. We're going to our away game. We're gonna go crush them.
Let's go.
Everyone's in the zone. I don't know this song I'm listening to. I'm trying to listen to new music. What are you listening to?
Oh, it's so silly. Okay, context. I'm listening to a very old playlist that my brother and I made.
Aww.
I'm listening to Hey There Delilah.
Oh, that's cute. It's a pregame hype. Lily, what are you listening to?
Johnny Cash.
What are you listening to?
The Morning by The Weeknd.
Hey, she's actually getting hyped.
Yeah.
We just pulled up to the ops. We're walking down to the field. Okay. Yay! This is our athlete of the week. She's insane. I'm Ruby. This is Dr. Sweeney. He's our coach. Dr. Sweeney, wave.
That's Miss Barrett. Miss Barrett, wave. This is Mr. Northrop. Those are our other coaches. This is Chris, one of our managers. This is Anna, one of our other managers. She handles the book. She's cool like that. The game has started. Come on, White! All right, White, let's keep the ball. Give a shot. Yeah. Woo! This game is going so well. Hey, vlog. We're past 5-0 win. 5-0. Lily scored 2? 1, 2? You scored 1. Arya, where's Arya? Arya scored 1. Woo! Big dub. We play against Mara.
How many? I lost count.
3 Awkward. There's my dad up there on the hill. He's gonna say hi to the vlog too. Say you're so proud of your daughter and you love her.
Sarah.
Yay! Okay, vlog, we're at Splunkers. Coach's post-game interview. How are we feeling about this dub?
It's fine, win.
I'm feeling great. Everyone played hard and everyone played well, so I'm happy to see it.
We just got our food. I got a kid's grilled cheese, watermelon custard, and some fries.
I got a junior hamburger.
It's in bussin'. We're back in the van.
All fueled.
Oh yes, feeling great with our food. Maddie, what music are you listening to?
How much you want to bet it's Thirsty Abrams? How much you want to bet?
Best Way.